Welcome to our ultimate showdown between the NOCO Boost Plus GB40 and the NOCO Boost HD GB70. In this video, we will dive deep into the features, specifications, and performance of these two incredible jump starters. Whether you're looking for a lightweight option for your compact car or a powerful solution for your larger vehicle, we've got you covered. Let's get started. When it comes to peak amperage, the NOCO Boost Plus GB40 delivers a respectable 1000 amps, making it suitable for smaller vehicles. However, the NOCO Boost HD GB70 takes it up a notch with an impressive 2000 amps, allowing it to jumpstart larger engines with ease. This significant difference in power makes the GB70 a better choice for those who need to start bigger vehicles or for more frequent use. In terms of jump starts per charge, the NOCO Boost Plus GB40 can handle up to 20 starts, which is adequate for occasional use. In contrast, the NOCO Boost HD GB70 can jumpstart up to 40 times on a single charge, making it ideal for those who require a reliable solution for multiple jump starts, especially in emergency situations. Both jump starters come with additional features, but they differ in capabilities. The NOCO Boost Plus GB40 includes a 100-lumen LED flashlight and USB charging ports, making it versatile for various situations. On the other hand, the NOCO Boost HD GB70 boasts a brighter 400-lumen flashlight and a 12 volts power output, allowing you to power other devices while on the go. These extra features can be crucial depending on your needs. In conclusion, both the NOCO Boost Plus GB40 and the NOCO Boost HD GB70 have their strengths. If you're looking for a lightweight, affordable option for smaller vehicles, the GB40 is a great choice. However, if you need more power and additional features for larger vehicles, the GB70 is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.